Hi friends, I'm Uninstall, and today I'll show you how to uninstall a game on Steam. If you're ready, let's get started. First, open Steam and click on the Library tab at the top. Now find the game you want to remove from the left side of the library and right-click on it. Hover your mouse over Manage and click Uninstall from the Open tab. Click on Uninstall and the warning message that appears. As you can see, the uninstall process has started. Let's wait for it to finish and then check if it has been uninstalled successfully. Yes, the uninstall process is complete. Let's open the control panel to check that the game is completely uninstalled from the computer. After opening the control panel, click on Programs. You can check whether the game you uninstalled has been completely uninstalled from your computer by looking at it one by one or by searching for it in the search bar at the top right. I hope you found the tutorial video on how to uninstall a game on Steam helpful. If so, don't forget to subscribe to the Uninstall YouTube channel and like the video. Have a good day.